Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Let's start by opening the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and then select your Vivomove Style from the list of devices. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and then tap on Remove to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app. Now open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth option, and here you should see Vivomove Style on the list of my devices. If you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.